Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to mount and unmount your SD card on your phone. So let's start. First open the settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on device care. Now tap on storage. At the bottom you'll see SD card and you have to tap on advanced. Here you can see the SD card is mounted and 3.4 GB out of 15 GB is available. Now tap on the arrow icon and tap on unmount at the bottom of the screen. And the SD card will be unmounted. Now to mount it back again, tap on SD card and tap mount. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.